Hi guys, how you doing? So I'm sitting in a Ford Explorer ST here, but you have a platinum is what you will say. Yes, that's right. I have a platinum. I had one, was my daily driver. Now we have it still in the family, and my wife drives it as a daily driver, and it's a good vehicle. I have plenty of videos on it and reviews, so go ahead and look at it. This video here, I'm gonna talk about, is it worth buying the ST to have a sportier SUV, or is it better to just keep the platinum if you have one, or buy the platinum right away like we did it? So what are the differences? This is the ST here in the interior. The differences I see is the wheel here. Steering wheel is a little more sporty. I'm sorry about the sun, but it's just hard to find a parking spot here in the city. And this is black, piano black, so that's different from the platinum. I can't remember what it is, but there's something different here too, and I think it is the piano black that this one has there. Platinum doesn't have as much platinum black, piano black like this here. I can't remember that. The seats, they are nice leather seats, and I think the leather feels good, but I do think the leather in the platinum feels a little softer, to be honest. They are cooled and heated, ventilated and heated, of course, which is great. The headliner is black, which the platinum is black as well, and it has the ginormous panoramic roof, which the platinum has. So there are a lot of similarities in the vehicle. Also, this here is exactly the same as the platinum. Then you have your drive modes, and again, they are all the same as the platinum. So, you know, there's no difference there. No difference there. It's all the same stuff. All the systems here, the nav, everything is exactly the same as the platinum. So what is different? This is blacked out on the outside. We'll go look at it, and it has more horsepower, more torque, and that of course is nice. And I'll put the numbers in the subscription right now so you can see the difference. Now I have to tell you, from a driving standpoint, if you just do normal city driving, you don't notice it. You know, if you push it a little bit, you notice it, but it's not extreme, since the platinum already has really good driving performance. Now what you notice is this is a rougher ride, so that's something you do notice. It rides rougher. So let's go outside, look at the let's look at the engine as well. It's left-handed here. And let's look at the differences. Now of course this here says Ford Performance, which is nice, but the platinum has an illuminated door sill there, which is also pretty cool. We have the black ST rims, which we have on the platinum as well, because they had them powder coated black. Then this here is blacked out, and this here is blacked out. So, and of course the ST badge. Now I have to say, this is a loaner car, and it's in a pretty decent shape. It's a little rough, some spots, but overall it's in a pretty clean shape. So I can't complain. Had a lot worse. And look at that, that's blacked out as well. And then it says Explorer on here, blacked out, and our platinum does not have that. And here's the engine. To be honest, looks exactly the same as the platinum. You can't tell a difference from just looking at the engine. You cannot. So nice grille, all blacked out as well. Yeah, that's it. Now here's one thing that I think Ford should have done. The exhaust system mufflers, these are the fake ones that we have at the platinum. Is exactly the same thing, and it doesn't sound better either. So that is a little bit of a shame, and kind of a missed opportunity for Ford. They should have done that. So Everything here is exactly the same as in our other Explorer. Nice black seats though, so if you like black over the brown seats from the Platinum, go for this one. But I think the leather and the brown black seats for the Platinum are a little higher quality. At least it feels better. I forgot one more thing in here. Let's get in here before we close. So this trim here is like plastic. Looks a little bit like carbon fiber, but it's plastic. In the Platinum it's actually real wood, a little thin layer of real wood. So that's different. So is it worth buying an ST? I think if you like the looks of the ST, it's worth it. If you are a very spirited driver, like a little bit better dynamics, it's worth it as well. If you expect a rocket here and a car that goes a lot faster in normal driving, getting you back to and back to work, no, that's not worth it. I don't believe so. If you want a little more luxury, it is not worth it, because the Platinum definitely has more luxury. Like, it has a leather cover on here that looks really good, and this is just looks like cheap plastic. So that is something, this is probably something I like the least. I don't like that. And the exhaust needs to be changed on this to be a little more attractive. Alright guys, that was just a short video. Should you buy the Platinum or the ST? It's all up to you, but now you know the differences. Alright, tune in next time on my channel and check out my other vehicles. Talk to you soon and have a wonderful day. Definitely sound different. It sounds louder. I also feel like there's more pops and crackles coming than before. Not sure if you hear them. It's hard to hear. Yeah, it's definitely louder from the outside too. You listen to it, but you can't hear the pops right now. But I'm not a huge fan of that, but it's kind of cool. So yeah, let's wait till we have good weather, take some outside shots, and then